Here is a fantastic lash growth serum that you will love. It's completely natural, doesn't have any negative side effects that go along with some of those other conventional ones that are out there. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a couple capsules, 400 IUs of vitamin E. You're gonna pierce those and put them into your glass container where you're gonna mix up your mixture. So you're gonna squeeze those into there. Then we're gonna be adding in some castor oil. Now, castor oil has a great effect on lash growth, great for hair growth as well. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of castor oil into my glass container. Then I'm also going to mix in 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. And these are things that I just purchased in the health food store. And then 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, the liquid type. Mix that all together, put into your little container like this, or you could just use a cotton swab, dab that on your upper eyelids for your lashes at bedtime. You will love the growth that you see. Follow for more natural beauty tips.